Hi there, my name is Veena Prashant. I'm the co-founder of Digital Access Pass, a membership plugin for WordPress. A couple of days ago, someone asked me in my Facebook group if there was a way to use DAP to create and deliver digital downloads. And the answer is yes. DAP is a membership plugin for WordPress, but you can use DAP to create and deliver all kinds of products and services, including online courses and digital downloads. So today I want to take you behind the scenes to show you how you can use DAP to create and deliver your PDF report, your ebook, or say that you have a zip file or image files that you want to protect in DAP and only make it available to people that are eligible for it. Whether you want to make it available as a free offer or a paid offer, that's up to you. You can package it however you want and you can protect it in DAP and you can use DAP to deliver it. Now, as far as hosting the files, where do you host these files, right? Where do you host your PDF files, zip files, image files that you want to protect and deliver using DAP? There are a few options. You can use DAP to upload the file that's on your desktop to your server with the click of a button. DAP will upload it, DAP will protect the file. Super easy, right? So I'll show you how you can do this where you can upload the file to your own server. But if it's a large file, then we recommend that instead of uploading to your server, upload it to, say, Amazon S3. And if you upload it to Amazon S3, it's a third-party server, so you cannot directly protect an Amazon S3 link in DAP because DAP can only protect what resides on your server. So if it's a third-party link, then what you can do, the easiest approach, is to get a link, a public link for your download from Amazon S3. And you can create a page in WordPress, add a download button there, and link that button to the link that you get from Amazon S3. And then because it's a page in WordPress where you have the download button, while you cannot directly protect the Amazon S3 link, you can protect the WordPress page in DAP. So create a page in WordPress, add a download button there, and link the button to your download, whether it's on Amazon S3, whether it's a Google Doc or Google Sheet. So you can connect your download button to the third-party site and make sure that when they click on it, they're able to download it. And then you can protect the page itself in DAP. If it's a free product, you can generate a registration form in DAP and you can publish the registration form to allow users to sign up. When they sign up, they will get access to the download. I'll show you how you can do this. I'll show you how you can create a members area where your users can download the file. If it's a paid offer, you can create a paid product in DAP, let DAP know how you want to charge the users, and make the download part of the paid offer where only people that make a payment are able to access it. So now let me take you behind the scenes to show you how you can use DAP to create and deliver your digital downloads. So there are two things I want to show you. Number one, how you can use DAP to protect and deliver your free digital product, and also how you can use DAP to protect and deliver your paid digital product. This is the back end of DAP. And to create a free product, you can go to products, click on free products. It will bring you to a page like this. And you can click on create new product and select free product as the option. Give it a name, description, and save it. It will bring you here, right, to a page like this. Now, this is an existing free product. I'll just show you my settings. But if you're looking to create a new product, just follow the same steps. And it will bring you here to this page. So first tab, name and description. So this is the name of the product description. Upload an image for your product, and type of account by default is set to standard. If it's a group membership, then you can set to group membership. Otherwise, just a standard product. So just set to standard, save and next. Now billing and access. This is a free product, so it is set to free. If you want to switch it to a paid product, it's really simple. All you have to do is select paid and set the payment type, one-time fee, subscription, payment plan. So this product is set to free. Allow free sign up is set to yes. We want to allow users to register and get access to this freebie. There is no payment. Access settings. Do you want to give them full access or limited time access? If you want to give them limited time access, select fixed and let DAP know if you want to give them 7 days access or 14 days access. You can limit the number of days of access they'll get to this product. Even though it's a free product, you can limit the access duration. Otherwise, set it to forever. So when they sign up, they will get lifetime access to this product. Save and next. All right, so assign, protect content. So this is where you can upload your file to your server. So that's what I want to show you here. So click to protect. So there are two options here. If all of your content is in WordPress, under pages, under posts, then you can select that and make it part of the product. So users that sign up for this product, they can access that content. But here we are looking to upload a PDF file to the server and protect it in DAP. So users that sign up can download the PDF. So for digital download, select this option, add other content, and enter URL to protect. So here you can enter the full URL of the file that you have on your server and you can protect it. But this means you'll have to first upload the file to your server, to the WP content uploads folder. You need to use FTP or file manager in your hosting cPanel to upload it, right? So if you don't want to upload it that way, you don't want to use FTP or file manager to upload it, you want DAP to upload it for you, then select this option. This way you can upload the file from your desktop to your server with the click of a button. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to select the file and I'm going to upload it to my server. Let me show you how to do this. Click on upload. This is the file. I'm going to select it. All right, file uploaded successfully. So this is a full URL of the download. All right, so DAP has uploaded it here. WP content uploads. DAP has created a folder called DAP uploads and it has added the file there. All right, so the file is there. And now you can click on save and next. That's it, right? So you can see here, this content is now protected under this product, which means only people that have access to this product can access this content. No one else can download this PDF other than the people that have signed up for this product. Now, this is a direct link to your PDF, right? So what you can do now is create a page in WordPress, right? Your download page in WordPress. And you can add whatever content you want on the download page. And on that page, you can add a download button. You can use your page builder or WordPress editor, add a button there and link that button to this, right? So the download button should link to your PDF file. And then you can also protect that WordPress page in DAP, which means only people that can even get to the download page are the people that have access to this product. So you can add additional layer of protection that way. Now what will happen is in the members area, when users click on access this product button, it will send them to the download page for that product. And then they can click on the download button on that page to download the PDF. All right. So this is a direct link, but you can create a page in WordPress and add a download button and link that button to this link that you get from DAP. And that's it. That's how you can protect it. All right. And then you can protect the WordPress page here. Save and next. So email notification, welcome email. This is the email they will get when they sign up to this product. So when someone signs up for your freebie and you want to send them an email, you can send that details here. And these are the personalization tags that you can use in the email to personalize the contents of your email. And anything that you want to change here, you can. Everything is fully customizable. So change whatever you want. This is just the default email that comes with DAP. And here you should send them the login page, right? So in DAP, you need to create a login page. And you can create all of your member pages in DAP products, member pages. So DAP has a member page builder. All you have to do is let DAP know what pages you want it to create, and DAP will just create it for you. With the click of a button, you can get DAP to create all of these pages for you, like a login page and dashboard page, member home page, all the pages DAP can create for you. So you don't have to manually create it. So make sure to create your member-facing pages before you create your products in DAP. That way, you can set up your welcome email and send users to the right login page and member dashboard page and all that. By default, it's a single opt-in product. If you want to make it a double opt-in where users have to click on a confirmation link to be able to download, then make it a double opt-in product and you can enter the contents here for your double opt-in. If it's a double opt-in product, make sure to send them the activation link in the email so they can click on it to activate their account. Now, admin notification, if you want to receive an email when someone signs up for this product, enter your email here. So when someone signs up, DAP will let you know that there is a new user sign up and it will send you the details to this email. Now, external system notification, you don't have to do this as part of the product creation process, but you can do this in products, manage automations page later on when you're ready. If you are looking to connect DAP with an email platform such as ActiveCampaign or Aweber, ConvertKit, DAP integrates with all leading email platforms. So you can do that here in the manage automations. You can connect your products to your list in your email platform, and then you can send all the emails from your email platform. You don't have to send it from DAP. So that's something you can do later. You don't have to do this as part of the product creation. So you can skip this, save and next. Now, follow-up emails. DAP also comes with the built-in autoresponder. If you want to send all the emails from DAP, including follow-up emails, you can do that. You can create all of your autoresponder emails in DAP email autoresponders page. It will show up in the available email section, all of these emails, and then you can click on add to add it and drip it out here. All right, you can change the drip setting here by clicking on this little icon. It will let you change the drip setting and users will receive this email based on the drip setting. So that's up to you. If you want to send follow-up emails from DAP directly and not from your email platform, then you can do this. If you are on a shared hosting platform, then we still recommend that you use an external platform. That way you will have better email deliverability. But if you don't want to use an external email platform, you just want to use DAP and are okay with sending the emails from your web hosting email SMTP server, you can do that by using DAP's built-in email autoresponder and email notification system. So rules tab here, you can see here it says sales page. So if it's a free product, you can enter the opt-in page URL here where users can opt in and sign up. So sales page here, if it's a free product, enter the URL of the page where users can opt in from to your freebie, right? So this is your opt-in page URL. So enter that here. If it's a paid product, enter the sales page URL, error page. So you can create a page in WordPress and give it whatever name you want. So this is the page to which users will be sent if they are not logged in and are trying to access content that you have protected under this product. Or they're logged in, but they don't have access to this product. So in that case also, DAP will display an error page to let them know. We notice that you're logged in, but you don't have access to this product. Click here to get access, right? So you can enter whatever content you want on this page using DAP shortcodes to say if you're logged in, if the user is logged in, show them this message. If the user is not logged in, show them this message. But by default, when you create a new product, you will notice that error page is set to the default error page. So you don't have to create a page in WordPress. You can use the default error page. But if you want more control over the content that's here and you want a page in WordPress with your branding, then just create a page in WordPress, add whatever you want, and then you can enter the URL of the page here. And that's the page to which users will be sent if they try to access stuff to which they don't have access. That's under this product, all right? So that's it, and redirect. So this is important because this is the downloads page. This is the page where they can download the content that's specific to this product, right? So when they go to the member dashboard page and they see this access your product, access your content button, and they click on it, where do you want them to go so they can find more details about this product? Do you have a product download page? Do you have a product page? Do you have a downloads page to which you want to send them? That's the page you need to enter here. For digital download, create a page in WordPress, add the download button, link the download button to the actual PDF. And in the rules tab, make sure that you point it to that page in WordPress, your downloads page in WordPress. All right, save and next. That's it. Now you have a free product. You can see there are two options, HTML code and form builder. So the HTML code section is, say that you're using a page builder such as Thrive Architect, which is what I do, and you want to use their lead generation form, and you want to connect the lead generation form to the product in DAP. It comes with like a HTML form section where it will let you enter the HTML code from a third-party system. So there you can enter DAP's free sign-up code. And so when someone signs up through the form, they will automatically get access to the product in DAP. So that's when you can use these options. Otherwise, you can use Form Builder where you can create a form directly in DAP. So you don't have to create a form in a third-party system. You can use the Form Builder option to create a form in DAP. So here is the Form Builder. You can get to it from here as well. Or from the Products tab under Registration, you can get to it from here. So when you go to that page, it will bring up a page like this where you will find all of your forms. Here you can see I have already created a form for this product. Let me edit and show you my setting. So the first tab is the form name. Give it any name you want. Select a product. This is the product for which I'm looking to create the form. Redirect, where should they be sent when they opt in, right? So this is the page I want to send them to. When they sign up to the freebie, do you want them to be logged into DAP, automatically logged into DAP, and do you want to directly send them to the downloads page? So that's another thing you can do. When someone is signing up for your freebie, as soon as they sign up, if you want to directly send them to the downloads page so they can instantly download, you can do that too. You can enter the URL of your downloads page here, and you can set the auto login to yes. That way users sign up, they will be logged in automatically to DAP, and they will be directly sent to the downloads page, and they can download it from there. So they don't even have to wait for an email. But if you're worried about spam signups and want to use double opt-in to make sure that only valid users are opting in and getting access, then when you have a double opt-in product, DAP will not automatically log them in. In that case, just send them to a generic thank you page and let them know that you're going to get an email with your download credentials. And in the email, you can send them the download details, right? And when they log in, then they will go to the member dashboard page. On the member dashboard page, they will find all the products that they have signed up for from you under the same account. And they can click on Access Content button. And when they click on Access Content, then they will be sent to the downloads page from where they can download. All right, so that's how it works. And select a template. You can select any one of these templates. There are two. I have selected the first one. Customize the tab. You can customize this template. Everything is click and edit. If you want to add custom fields, terms and conditions, GDPR, everything is here. So you can customize this form. Go ahead and save it and publish it on your opt-in page, wherever you want this form to appear. And when users sign up through this form, they will get access to the freebie in DAP, and then they can download your PDF. All right, so now let's test the full user experience. So this is my opt-in page. I don't have anything yet because this is just a test page. And when users sign up through this opt-in form, they'll be sent to the thank you page. They will get an email with their login credentials. And when they log in, they will be sent to the dashboard page from where they can download the PDF. So let me show you the entire user experience. So here I'm going to sign up, click to register. So I have configured the form builder in DAP to send users to a thank you page when they sign up. I don't want to send them directly to the download page, but to a thank you page, and they need to check their email. And I send the login credentials in an email, and they will receive that email instantly as soon as they sign up. And on this page, you can let them know that you're going to receive your download credentials in an email, and then they can log in and download the contents. So now let's go ahead and log in as this user. All right, so this is the DAP login page, and I'm going to log in as this user. So I logged in. Upon login, I was sent to this page. This is the dashboard page created by DAP. Again, you can go to DAP member pages to create a page. With a click of a few buttons, DAP will create this page for you. And so this is a page to which I send users whenever they log in. And they're always going to land on this page. So what you display here, it's up to you. So I have a few courses I offer from this site. So not enrolled section will show them the courses that are available, but they have not yet signed up for. So they can sign up. So that's what I show first. My products and download, you can see here, this is the one they just signed up for, right? This is the PDF download. This is showing up here. Now when they click on access content, this is the button that will link to what you have set up in the rules tab. So let me show you that. So this is the free product in DAP. Under the rules tab, I have set this to point to the download page. Now this is the page where they can download that PDF from. So when they click on access content, they'll be sent here to the WordPress page, download PDF page. And they can click on this to download the PDF right here. All right. So really simple. This is how it works. And now let me show you what you have to change for a paid offers. Say that you want to create a paid product. What you have to do is go to membership products. It will bring you to a page like this. Click on create new product. But this time select product instead of free product. Just select product. Give it a name and description, whatever you want. So here I already have a product. Let me show you my settings. For example, this is a product. I'm going to click on this. And exactly the same thing as a free product. The only difference will be in the billing and access section tab. You can see it says paid and payment type is one-time fee. For the other one, we had it set to free, and here it's a paid product, and you can set the product price here. Assign and protect content. You can protect your content just like we did with the free product. You can protect your download here in the assigned content section. Works exactly the same way. Email notification, exactly the same thing as the free offer. Autoresponder, same thing. Rules tab, everything is the same for a free or paid offer other than the billing and access details where you can let DAP know how you want to charge the users. And of course, for a paid product, you need to create a payment button. For a free product, you just have to create a registration form. For a free product, you can create the registration form here in the form builder page right here. And for a paid product, now you need to create payment button. Now, how you create your payment button depends on what shopping cart platform you plan on using. DAP comes with its own shopping cart platform called Smart Pay Card. And that's a different plugin, but it's made for DAP. And so you can create your payment buttons in SPC, very easy to use shopping cart plugin. And we have documentation. You can see videos you can watch to see how you can use it, and very easy to create payment buttons because it's made for DAP. You don't have to even create products in that plugin. All you have to do is select the product. It will pick up the products from DAP and let it know that you want to create a payment button, and it will give you a payment link. And you can connect that payment link to the buy button that you have on your sales page. And that's it. All right. So that's the only difference between paid and free offer, which is billing and access details. And for a paid product, you need to create a payment button. Whether you use your own shopping cart platform, obviously you have to use something that integrates with DAP. DAP integrates with several shopping cart platforms, including WooCommerce. So if you want to use WooCommerce, you can do that too. But DAP also comes with its own shopping cart plugin, and that's what we recommend. It's really easy to use, integrates with PayPal and Authorize.net and Stripe. So you can use that to sell your products and services as well. As you can see, it's really easy to use DAP to create and deliver all kinds of products and services, including digital downloads. My name is Veena Prashant. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to do that. This way you will be notified whenever I publish new videos like this. And I hope to talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.